Hello, beautiful people. We have made it to
Hualien. We cycled here yesterday in the mud and the rain.
Oh, we were filthy.
I need a shower. So we're taking today off to spend some time in Hualien because it's actually
Christmas Day!
So we're gonna have a special day today.
Since it's Christmas and my new fiance here needs a gift for Christmas, and so do I, we are gonna play a little game.
So we are gonna give each other 400 yuan each. We both have to separate and find a surprise gift for each other. But it has to be within that budget. We cannot spend over 400 yuan. And you guys get to vote whoever gets the best gift.
We all have 30 minutes. So as you can tell from behind, there's a few shops. So we are gonna separate each other and get back together after half an hour and surprise each other.
And then afterwards, we're gonna go celebrate and have Christmas dinner at the Dongdaemun night market here in Hualien. So definitely keep watching for that. But give me mama. Alright, 400 yuan. It's 4:30 now at 5 p.m. in front of the Christmas tree.
Okay.
400 yuan, let's go. Bye!
Good luck! Okay, so we only have half an hour, and to keep in mind that we are traveling full time, so we can't have huge things, but she loves having clothes. So I'm thinking for now, going for clothes. Now I want to find something cute that she thinks of this moment, or Taiwan, whenever she wears it. Okay, so there's a lot of clothes here. So let's see what I can find.
Okay, so we're right in the main area of Hualien. So there's lots of like streets like this that have like market stalls on them, and then there's lots of just normal shops as well. But the real challenge is that shopping for Max is practically impossible. He doesn't want anything. You know when you just want something, you're like, oh, that's so cute, I want it, or it's so pretty, I want it. He doesn't have that. If it's not practical, he doesn't want it.
Because she is very clumsy and she drops and spills every time. So a light jersey would be a best bet. But I also want it to be fun, so it's gotta be a mixture of all of this.
My first thought is like something consumable, but I don't think that's gonna win your votes. I feel like you guys are gonna be like, that's not good. Like, you guys eat in every vlog anyway. That's not it. So then, my next thought would be, okay, I just found this shoe shop, but I don't know how much this kind of stuff costs. Just trying to get a rough idea of like a price. These say Adidas. There's no, oh my god, 1500 yuan. That's way over budget. Maybe they're real.
What about this? I don't know, it's so tricky. Ni hao. I am buying something for my fiance, and we have played a game, and I only have 400 to spend. Do you recommend anything? Yes! Oh, she's looking for me. Do you have any clothes?
你有衣服吗？衣服？
Yeah, 对。
有。
Do you have anything pink?
你有粉红色的东西吗？
Ah, huh.
So cute.
So cute. When it comes to spring, okay. I don't know. It's very hard because I have never bought clothes for her.
很热，因为我从来没有给她买过衣服。
Oh, this lady was so nice. I don't know. I either go for the full cute stuff and it's actually useful and pretty, or I go for a quirky thing that's just fun. I don't know. What would you guys do?
Well, there's some hats here. But he'll never wear it because Max loves his hat. It's very practical, of course, so he just wouldn't wear like a funky... Max would never buy something just for the style. It has to be practical. He's so hard to shop for. Alright, I found some more. These are kind of cool. I like them. 790 yuan. Okay, way over budget. Let's keep looking.
Have a good time. This jersey here. Oh, look at this one. This one says France fresh croissant.
I have no idea what to get him, guys. I'm really just in this random store. It looked like it had some fun stuff in here, and I'm not seeing anything. I could get him some skincare. He doesn't do that, but he probably should. I feel like he would like these. Maybe not. I don't know. They look like they could be comfortable. They look like they're more than 400 yuan. I'm also going to run out of time. 590. Okay, 谢谢. Dang it, these ones are over budget. Well, these are cool for me. Okay. The shoe thing is not working out. I need to divert because I'm spending too much time on it.
I am playing a Christmas game with my fiance and I only have 400 yuan to spend. What do you recommend? This is nice. Do you have one in pink? This is a good. I like this jersey. It's cute.
So cute.
So cute. It says I farted in the car. I like this one. It's cute because it's a mixture of both. It has the cute pink jersey, but it says I farted in the car, and it's puppies.
Look who it is. No, have you?
Baby.
Dang it, he's on his way to the Christmas tree. Oh, this is so bad. I don't know what to get him. Okay, I gotta hurry.
She clearly hasn't found it yet. She's stressing.
I'm so upset. He's totally gonna win.
Okay, no, it's not the shop. So curious to see what she's up to.
To get him some fruit. He loves fruit. Oh, I'm stressing. I'm running out of time. Jackie, what could I get him? What would he want? I don't know what to do.
15 minutes left. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Let's have a look again. So this one is the choice. This, I don't know. The material is very nice. This is nice.
Okay.
This, I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
You have same?
So bad.
So bad. That's not a sign, it's a wedding song, yeah. Madam? 400? Okay? Okay? Yes!
Okay.
谢谢
Where?
I got it.
YouTuber.
Yes, do it. Yeah. Taiwan bicycle? Bicycle, whole of Taiwan.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's very good.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Package acquired.
He likes Dragon Ball Z, so maybe something in here. Thing is, if I get him something like that, it's not really something he can carry around. Keychain would be cute if it was Dragon Ball Z. Oh, look. It's a light. That would be so cool. Maybe this store has something cool. It's got like all these like funky clothes. A t-shirt maybe. A cool t-shirt. Yeah. Even something fun to wear for once. And they're all not right. He'll hate all of these. Damn it. Oh my god, girls are so easy to shop for. Boys are terrible to shop for. Like, I should get 1 hour. He should get 30 minutes to make this like a more fair fight. Or maybe I go buy myself some lingerie and that's a gift for him. Okay, I've just come into this store and I found some sunglasses I think are really cool and that he would actually like. And he needs new sunglasses. So this could be a good one. Okay, they're 190 over budget, so I cannot buy these for him, which sucks because they're really nice and I actually think that they would look really good on him. Is there a Dragon Ball Z t-shirt? Okay, I've just found a Dragon Ball Z t-shirt. This is kind of cool. Could totally work for him. Uh-huh. Okay, and this one? Okay. Can you do... No? Okay. Okay, 谢谢. Okay. No. Some sunglasses in this store, maybe. They kind of look good on me as well. Ni hao. How much are these? 380? Okay, I'll take them. Thank you.
It'll be quick.
And I'm literally right within time. I need to rush to the Christmas tree now. I still have 20 yuan left over, so I'm gonna quickly duck into a convenience store and grab a chocolate.
Oh, I've made it with 3 minutes to spare. I don't think she made it.
Okay, technically I'm 3 minutes late.
You're late. I said I'll give it to charity if you're late.
No. Merry Christmas, my love.
Thank you. All right, here we go. Oh, there's chocolate.
What? I had some spare money, so.
Thank you. That's some
You're
expensive
welcome.
chocolate. Okay, there's something else.
I wanted to spend the full budget.
Whoa. Whoa. What?
Do you like them?
Like, yeah.
Ooh, they look really good on you.
The case is worth all the money. Well, I got new sunnies.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Cute. Very romantic. Oh. Okay. No. Oh my god. You got me a jumper that says France on it and has a croissant.
Yes.
I love it. It's so cute. Where am I packing this?
I guess in our one luggage.
Because we're kind of already at maximum capacity.
So something else that we love to do, apart from gifting each other things as secrets, is to eat.
We've literally never done that.
We've never done that. We are, as you know, loving Taiwanese food, and there's a night market here. But first we got to do something that you have to do when in Taiwan.
Play for a packet of Doritos. So there's claw machines all over Taiwan. Like, it's crazy how popular they are. And we haven't played them yet. And we're like, how have we been in Taiwan for like 3 weeks and not played a claw machine? So we're gonna see if there's anything that we want.
Cockroach.
I don't know what it is, but it's kind of cute. I love it.
Look at this one now. Jacqueline would love this one.
We have found our claw machine. I saw these little, they're like key rings with little bubble teas on them. And if you've been watching our vlogs, you know we love bubble tea. So we're gonna try and win one of those. They're so cute. I want that one right there, the one that looks like a bubble tea. I actually don't really know how these things work. I've never really played them. Okay. I'm gonna go for this one.
Looks X and Y, eh?
Oh my god, that was so hard. That was such an epic fail. No. Oh, it was so close. Maybe I should go for that one that's poking up a bit more. Oh my god, no, that is so bad. I can't believe it. Oh my god.
I'm gonna give it a try. Oh well. At least we tried. It's a shame.
No bubble tea keyring for me.
So as a lot of you may know by now, Jacqueline and I love night markets, and there's a very famous one in Hualien. Now we did come here early on, it was completely empty, so we're like, obviously we have to come back at night. We checked online, it says open at 5, but it's right across the street and it doesn't look like everything's open, unfortunately. We're really hoping for a bustling night market like to all the other ones we've been to before. But hopefully there are some things that are open.
Maybe because it's a Wednesday night, so middle of the week, a lot of the stalls are actually closed. Which means Max and I are actually kind of struggling to find the food that we want to try or food that we're interested in eating. So we're not having the best time at this market yet, but we're staying positive and we're still looking for something to eat. And then open. Ah, okay, cool. 谢谢.
So, In case you may not know, there's a lot of Aboriginal culture here in this region of Taiwan. Has a local, I wouldn't say delicacy, but a local dish, which is bamboo rice. And it's very interesting because it's literally what the name says, bamboo with rice stuffed but tightly in there. The lady, when I ordered it, took it inside, cracked it open. And it's very unique because they had different rice and they either had white rice or purple rice. I have no idea how to eat this. I've never seen this before. I'll just bite it and see what. So far it's just rice. I think it's just gonna be rice. It's just rice.
That is so... I can't believe it's just rice.
Let us know in the comments where we went wrong. Maybe it's a side dish and it's supposed to have something alongside it.
It is nice. It's sticky rice.
It's
I
good
love
rice.
sticky rice. But it would be nice if there was something inside the sticky rice.
Anyway, there's a lot more food to try, so on to the next one.
Yeah. Well, it started raining at the night market. Luckily for us, Hualien has so many well-rated restaurants. So we found one on Google Maps. This is a noodle shop. We got the sesame sauce noodles, which a bunch of the reviews were like, they're amazing, and we haven't tried them yet. And we got a soy sauce noodle as well. Which I'm very excited about.
My mouth is watering.
My mouth is watering too. Let's just get in here. Good.
Oh wow. Oh, it's so good.
Yeah?
They're thick. Oh, this is a good winter rainy meal. Cheers. Merry Christmas.
So we come to this store because apparently it's famous for its mochi. They only had one flavor left, so I guess they are pretty popular. The only flavor that they had left was the black sesame mochi, which is a flavor I actually haven't tried, so I'm very interested to try it. So far, my favorite mochi has been in Taipei, and it had red bean paste in the middle and a fresh strawberry. And I just think that the combination was so perfect that like I don't think I can get a better mochi than that. But we can try this one. Yeah, this is really good. This one is perfect amount of chewiness, soft. This like crunchy, nutty sesame middle is so good.
Well, beautiful people, this is the end of our time in Hualien. This was a short but very sweet one, as Christmas would be. So thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow we are leaving and making our way further north, carrying on with our trip. The weather...
Looking a bit iffy, so we're not
iffy.
sure exactly what we're gonna do, but we're gonna go home now and see what our options are.
Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye. Guys.